Guys, we're going to be changing out this part. There's a lot of capacitors on there. This is, it could be dangerous, storing a lot of electricity. So this is not how you should do it. This is how I did it. Be careful. I'm not a licensed electrician. All right, guys, video is going to be about changing the converter. We've got a 26-foot Alpha Wolf, Forest River Alpha Wolf. This thing was plugged into 220 instead of 110. And it fried the converter and a few other things. And so I've ordered this online. I got the WF-8955 converter, and I'm opening up this box here. This flip down panel just has some plastic prongs here at the bottom. I was able to sort of squeeze that in the middle, remove that panel. I got a screw here and here. Take both those out. I've actually loosened those already, and I'll show you behind this in a second and let you follow along to see how we can change this bad boy. All right, behind that panel, this is what you're going to find. I've slid this out already, but it was a very easy 2 small Phillips head screws right here. I took those out. That was the only thing holding this entire unit up into this slot. Once it's out, you'll notice 3 wires on the left. Your black wire is going to get routed up through the hole and go to the breaker. Your white wire is going to go straight up to your neutral bus bar, and your green over here to the side into the ground bus bar. Easy on that side. On the right, you've got a red and a white larger gauge wire. In order to route them behind this panel here, there's a small plastic tab at the top and bottom. You'll need to press with a flathead screwdriver, and that'll give you access behind there. Be careful pressing that. I broke my top one off really easily trying to get that out. So now I got to be careful about how I'm going to resecure this in there. But this red is going to go to this post here, and the neutral on the top is going to go back into this top post, and that is it, guys. That was a pretty easy switch out. I'm going to put this back, slide it back in here, put the 2 Phillips head screws in, and I'm going to resecure this board down after I get these back in their respective terminals, and that's it. So hopefully this helped. Good luck out there. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more RV fixes.